Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video something very different because just now my beloved Zippo lighter broke. It's not the one with gasoline, it's with gas. But yeah, this happened. I know I could send this in for free to Zippo, but I like to try and fix things myself. So in this video I try to fix this if I can. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So this came off here. It's connected, or it was connected with this little pin, but I don't know. So I never did this. I have no idea how to do it, but yeah, I try to fix this with the things I have. So like my soldering iron and solder and hot air, I don't know. First thing, I want to see if solder sticks on here and here. Yeah, that would be great. So I set up my soldering iron and then I try to put some solder here and then I melt it together somehow. So that's my idea. So yeah, let's see if solder is going to stick on here. And yes, it does. So that's great. So now I pre-tinned both sides, and the question is, how can I fixate it when I heat it up?
It's time for Ask Dr. Stupid with your host, Dr. Stupid. Oh, hello there.
But I came up with a solution. I have a whole box of springs here. So I will do this, and then I put the springs in to hold it all together while I heat it up with the heat gun. So I hope this works. Oh, first flux. So for all my soldering jobs I use this Chip Quick SMB 291. It's pretty good. So let's prep this. Then I put in the springs. Yeah, I could buy a new one, but the sentimental value is much higher. So, okay, here it's pretty much aligned. I put it at 430 degrees. And then I will heat it up. And then we see what happens. see the solder is coming out here, so yeah, that's a good sign. So I think that's good enough. I'm super impatient, so let's cool it down with a little bit of compressed gas. Now, fingers crossed, let's see if it worked. Okay. Let's take out the springs. Still effing hot. And look at this. Yeah. Yeah guys, this was a little bit different video, but yeah, on my channel I try to fix things, so I did. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.